Welcome to Uncommon DevOps Wisdom by Uncommon Sense Consulting. Did you know that according to a survey by Atlassian, companies that prioritize team collaboration are 5 times more likely to be high-performing? That's right, 5 times. Now let's take a moment to think about that. In the ever-evolving world of DevOps, this statistic carries a significant weight. Leading DevOps consultancies like Equal Experts and ThoughtWorks have harnessed the power of effective team collaboration and seen substantial improvements in their operations. They've realized that the key lies not just in the technical competencies of the team, but largely in their ways of working together. In DevOps, a well-collaborated team can streamline processes, break down silos, and drive innovation, leading to quicker delivery, better quality, and ultimately a high-performing team. So the importance of developing a team's ways of working cannot be overstated. It's not just about the what, it's also about the how. Clearly, the way a team works significantly influences its performance. So, how can you develop your team's ways of working? Step 1 in developing your team's ways of working is defining roles and responsibilities. Now, this is where the magic really begins. Picture a well-oiled machine, where every cog, every wheel, every lever knows exactly where it fits and what it does. That's what your team can look like, with clearly defined roles and responsibilities. Take a leaf out of Equal Experts' book. They've got this down to a T. Every team member, whether they're an engineer, a project manager, or a designer, knows their responsibilities. They understand their role in the bigger picture, and this clarity is what enables them to collaborate seamlessly and work efficiently. Let's not forget, confusion breeds chaos. But when everyone knows their role, they can focus on doing their best work without stepping on each other's toes. It's like a beautifully choreographed dance where everyone knows the steps. With clearly defined roles, team members know exactly what they're responsible for, leading to efficient and effective teamwork. In DevOps, you miss all the shots that you didn't take. Moving on to step 2, it's about establishing effective communication channels. Communication, it's the lifeblood of any team, and it's no different for DevOps. Consider the case of ThoughtWorks. They've integrated effective communication channels into their teams, fostering a culture of transparency and understanding. When information flows freely, it helps avoid misunderstandings that could hamper progress. For instance, clear communication can ensure that everyone knows what's expected of them, eliminating any ambiguity that could lead to mistakes. It can also help foster a sense of camaraderie among team members as they can share ideas and feedback freely. Furthermore, good communication can facilitate smoother operations. It allows for quick problem solving, as team members can easily reach out to each other for help or advice. It also fosters a culture of continuous learning, as team members can share their knowledge and experiences with each other. Effective communication is the lifeline of a team's operations, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Step 3, implement regular feedback loops. This is the heartbeat of your team's progress. Regular feedback loops are paramount to a team's continued success. They serve as a platform for team members to voice their concerns, share their insights, and offer suggestions for improvement. Leading consultancies such as Deloitte Digital and IBM 9 have long recognized the power of regular feedback. They use these feedback loops not just as a tool for correction, but also as a means to continually improve their team's ways of working. Feedback isn't just about pointing out flaws, it's also about recognizing what's working well. It gives everyone in the team a chance to reflect on their performance and identify areas of success and areas for improvement. It helps identify issues early on, allowing for timely adjustments and preventing minor problems from escalating into major ones. Feedback loops also foster a culture of open communication, collaboration, and continuous learning. Regular feedback loops are crucial for continuous improvement and achieving high performance. So there you have it, 3 simple steps to develop your team's ways of working. Let's take a minute to recap. We began by defining roles and responsibilities, ensuring that every member of the team understands their part in the bigger picture. Then we moved on to establishing communication channels. This is key to creating a harmonious environment where everyone feels heard and valued. And finally, we spoke about the importance of implementing regular feedback loops. This enables teams to continually improve and adapt. These steps might seem basic, but their impact on a team's performance can be profound. It's all about creating a well-oiled machine where each cog plays its part to perfection. But remember, this isn't a one-and-done process. Improving a team's ways of working requires persistence, dedication, and a willingness to adapt. Remember, the power of a team lies in its ways of working. So start developing yours today and witness the transformation in your team's performance.